What the fuck are you doing? He's mine. She was my fucking wife! Up! Come on!
What, because of no computers you think I'm a fucking tar?
I'm gonna rip your fucking head off! Come on! Come on. Come on. Come on! What you got? Is that it? Come on! Look! Look, you motherfucker! Look what he did to her!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Rigby.
You should have been there!
I didn't know.
You should have been there.
I didn't know. I didn't know it was going to happen. I was undercover. I got too close. She was helping me. Helped me get off the smack before anyone noticed. That night, I was with two guys that I thought would lead directly to a deal with him. I had to make him think that I was just a dealer, ready to buy a stack of smack. We got high. I didn't know she was going there, Rigby. I didn't know.
And if you'd have known?
Don't know.
Yeah.
You can't kill him, Rigby. If you kill him, all this means nothing. Think about it. All the people he knows, all the bent coppers on his payroll. You kill him, and they all go free. Putting him in prison might just save some lives. We need that. Victims need that. You need that. Think of what Christine would want.
Don't you ever mention her name!
What would she do? She was a good copper, Rigby. The best I've ever met. She believed in justice. She believed in putting the bad guy in prison, not in the grave. And she was sold out by her own kind. You kill him, and no one will ever know.
You'll know.
It's not enough. You can silence me, they can't silence him. And if they want to, they'll have to kill him anyway. You get what you want.
He'll just plea bargain some shitty sentence, and you know that.
So kill him when he gets out in 30 years. Just not now. Rigby, we need him alive. Rigby!
So after all this, it's retribution you're after?
I want to know where she is.
It's obvious you're going to kill me. Why should I tell you anything?
No, we need him alive.
He'll live.
The first time I killed a man, I had a gun pointed to me. It was kill or be killed. After that, you knew where you stood. You knew the regime. You knew the task at hand. Take no prisoners. Ask no questions. Seek no clarification. Killing, it became routine. You bastard. You blocked it out. You lived another day. It was always with you. It never left you. It became you. Should you change? Change was difficult. For somebody who's committed the horrors I have, to change would be to face those horrors, face those demons, repent, and spend the rest of your life seeking forgiveness, to relive everything you've ever seen and done, until it sends you insane and you die screaming in your own shit and vomit. Or I carry on. Never change, never repent, never seek forgiveness. The horror never leaves you. It's beside you, but never inside you. I see you feel the same. I see it in you. You and I are the same.
Just tell me where she is!
So you can kill me.
I'm gonna keep going until you tell me where she is!
I'm already dead. You're going to kill me.
Don't kill him, Rigby. Think of what she'd want.
He's right. She'd want you to live. Shoulder wounds heal. I'll make it so you never walk again. Or I can leave you to him. The choice is yours.
My brother buried her in some forest. I don't know where. I don't know where. John kept record of it on that notebook. John kept records of everything. It was burying your wife that put my brother against me. Your wife. Eventually, she's put us together. Your dead wife. The irony. She's got us together at last. Your dead wife.
Rigby, taking the evidence. Everything she stood for. Everything she fucking stood for. So what? You're gonna find her, bury her properly, and then bury every fucking thing she stood for?